Okay, so this is a good example. This is a very good example of where it goes wrong and when nature takes over. We've had a big storm about 2-3 nights ago, huge torrential rain for about 4 hours. And what we've got here is the road's been eaten away here. You can see just across here it's perfectly alright. Svetlo here is cleaning the drain because when you get it wrong, obviously the water and the slope and everything takes all the top surface away almost instantly. So the question is, why has it gone from here and why is it perfectly alright over there? Simple solution, the road system's not finished, and where we've not finished we've got a lot of surface runoff water, and that surface runoff water has to find a channel, an easier channel, the easiest channel as possible. It finds it, and where we haven't connected the road, that channel then becomes a river, the torrent, and of course it shifts the road instantly. So it's very clear that nature is teaching us, it's showing us. We know where the cause is. We are very clear on what the effect is, which is this. It's easily remedied. This will take about half an hour to put right. Doesn't need any machinery, just a shovel and a rake and a bucket of top surface. But we know why it's happening, and that's the important issue here. So when we get the finishing road, which is just up above, about another 50 metres above where we're sat now, we put the cause of the issue right, and suddenly nature starts to take over again, and we have no problem. So this is again a feature that we have at Geshaview. We've had this for the last 4 years. When we get it wrong, nature tells us, corrects us, we put it right, it says thank you very much, and everything works perfectly. So again, a great example of learning from what nature tells us in constructing the roads. It's a bit of a nightmare, but it only lasts a few days. Okay, here's another very good example of using man-made drainage that quite simply doesn't work with nature. You can no doubt see the style of this drain. There's only 2 of these in Geshaview, which were put in to test, and the proof is that they don't work. They don't take the volume of water. They fill up with the sludge immediately. It stops it moving naturally, and consequently we get a problem. And of course, where you have to run that drainage is out through a pipe, and of course the net result is you get this on top of the grass, which of course is unacceptable, not really clever at all. And we've now got Svetlo here working for 2 hours, cleaning out, trying to flush out the slurry and the sludge and something which happens natural with nature. It just moves it on, but here man-made products collect it all. And we have metal in the way and rust starting to happen and a nightmare. So this will be removed and we'll go back to the way that nature has shown us to do it. So, with the noise in the background, let's just have a quick look at the technical tools we're using for the job. I'm not sure why we've got 2 tape measures. We've got 2 tape measures, and just to be on the safe side, 1 broken tape measure at 1 metre. So if all else fails, we've got a rusty tape measure standard. The good old book and pencil. 1 hammer. 1 post. A few pieces of wood. What was a shovel, obviously overused shovel. And in the background here you can just about see the metal control panels. So the shaping, and this, just a minute. One fork, 1 rake, and 4 or 5 enthusiastic guys who have gone back in time and decided to do it how their grandfathers used to do it. So there we are, a few tools, not much else, a bit of sunshine and a continuous plan. That's it, no more.